Hello everyone, this is Audra with Pathfinder Strong, and I just want to give you an update on our Valentine Banquet practicing. We are moving along quite nicely. In fact, tonight is our first run through with microphones. As you can probably hear, it's a little louder because the kids are using microphones for the first time tonight. We're also starting to incorporate lighting and also music. So tonight we practice our opening theme song that all the kids are going to work on. We did some choreography and practice entering at the right times, and right now we're just, as you can see, working on more of the details as opposed to just walking through scenes. So the kids are pretty much all off script now, which means most of them have their lines memorized. They're doing really well. So you know, we just kind of take this in chunks and just kind of add pieces as we go, and tonight we're adding in that microphone piece. This is our first time that we've run through from beginning to end. We've been working just on pieces and things so on. So I'm gonna let you take a look at what we're doing tonight.
To praise the Lord and sing together. Hallelujah. Hallelujah to our King. It's so good to be together. To be together and say hello again.
Benjamin.
Okay, so we're gonna walk.
Go back over there.
Halfway turn, okay? Not all the way, just with your shoulder. So feet pointing that way. Yes. Shoulder pointing to the
Yo, I got it down. Check this out.
But you got it?
So anyway, you might notice a little bit of a difference from the first time you saw them practicing to now. I hope you notice the improvement. Go ahead and stay tuned. We're not anywhere near done. We got like 4 weeks to go before we're ready to perform this thing. So we got a lot of work to do, but we're making progress. So like I said, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.